Welcome to a Unicell New Product Introduction Summary. We are pleased to present to you Unicell's latest edition, the U-Cell. I will outline for you some great information surrounding the U-Cell in terms of description and benefits, features and properties, configurations and specification, comparison to a 9-module deep cell, installation, and how to order. The U-Cell mounts underneath Unicell modular work surfaces. You can see that it is designed to accept existing Unicell components such as drawers. The U-Cell is a one-piece molded unit and technically falls under the product category of cells, but it has its own unique qualities compared to other Unicell cells. The U-Cell was specifically developed to provide a cost-effective, medium-sized storage capacity unit for our clinical environment. The polypropylene material, which the U-Cell is constructed of, is both lightweight and non-brittle. Some other benefits are also listed. As you can see in the diagram, top left, the U-Cell is 3-sided and contains 6 Unicell modules on the inside which, similar to regular cells, are part of the overall continuous molded unit. The lock block and adjustable stabilizer bar are separate parts, but are included as part of the U-Cell and do not need to be ordered separately. The U-Cell is available in our 3 base colors of champagne, gray, and silent white, and comes with a 10-year warranty. Similar to regular Unicell cells, the U-Cell can be configured with interior components for storing healthcare materials. It can store a maximum of 8 modules of interior components, meaning it is possible for a 3-module drawer to extend past the bottom of the U-Cell. Here are the suggested configurations and the associated storage capacities. And here are some other suggested configurations. You can press pause at any time if you'd like to read over any of the information in greater detail. Please note, when using a lift front on a U-Cell, the top module needs to be kept available for the lift front's operability. Even though it is acceptable for a 3-module drawer to extend past the bottom of the U-Cell, it cannot be specified as locking as shown in the photo. This is because the locking mechanism would not be able to secure into the side of the U-Cell's interior module properly. As shown in the other diagram, it is possible for 2 U-Cells to be mounted side by side underneath a 48-inch wide modular work surface. When comparing the U-Cell to a 9-module deep cell, there are particular advantages to both. The list price of the U-Cell is significantly less than a 9-module deep cell, and this will translate into savings for client projects overall. The U-Cell does still provide a suitable storage solution, even though it is very cost-effective. Let's talk about general installation that your installers would follow to place a U-Cell underneath a Unicell work surface. The first step to install a U-Cell is to attach U-channels to the underside of the work surface. It is important to note the following regarding the U-channel. The side flange of each U-channel is to be mounted facing inward. And in order to fit the U-Cell properly, the dimension between the inner edges of the 2 channels is to be 20 3/16 of an inch apart, as shown in the plan diagram. It is important that this dimension be consistent from front to back. And both U-channels are to be mounted 1 1/8 of an inch set back from the front edge of the work surface. Once the U-channels are attached to the work surface, the adjustable stabilizer bar would be placed into the U-Cell. This component helps the U-Cell maintain a consistent width from top to bottom. The stabilizer bar comes with a left and right side stabilizer clip. The position of the stabilizer bar and clips would be determined by the configuration of Unicell drawers, trays, or shelves being loaded into the U-cell. Now that the stabilizer bar is in place, a lock block is placed at the back as shown. The U-cell simply slides into the U-channels, and then the lock block would be screwed into the underside of the work surface. And this will prevent the U-cell from sliding forward during normal operability of drawers, trays, and shelves. The U-cell is then ready to be loaded with its chosen configuration of Unicell interior components. If you have any questions regarding the U-cell, including price quotes, please contact your local Unicell representative. Thanks so much for listening, and have a fantastic day.